The Roger Focus is a student-worn receiver that connects to various remote microphones. There are both rechargeable and disposable battery versions of the Roger Focus, which we will be outlining further. To power on the battery-powered Roger Focus, close the battery door. To power on the rechargeable Roger Focus, lift the earpiece from the charging cradle and it will automatically power on. You should see the indicator light on the device flash green as it is powering on. The student will place the Roger Focus receiver on their ear according to instructions given to them by their teacher of the deaf and hard of hearing. It should be worn for all instructional time so they have better access to teacher and peer voices in the classroom. If the student has a battery-powered Roger Focus, you will need to change the battery when the indicator light flashes orange to indicate that the battery is low. Remove the sticker from the new battery and wait 10 seconds. Open the battery door on the Roger Focus and remove the old battery. Insert the new battery and close the battery door. When the battery door is closed, the earpiece will power on automatically. If the student has a rechargeable Roger Focus, place it in the charging cradle in the appropriate colored slot. There are colors to remind you where to place the left and right receivers. The Focus will click into place and the indicator light on the Focus receiver will flash green to show that it is charging. There is no need to power the receiver off as it will turn off when placed in the charger.